welcome to today's episode. I'm Brian Smith. Today we're going to be making oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Don't worry if you're on a diet, we're going to be using the Weight Watchers recipe today. Here are a few of the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Half a cup quick cooking, not instant oat, 1 cup white whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 3/4 of a cup packed light brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Place racks in the upper and lower thirds of the oven. Preheat oven to 350. Spray 2 baking sheets with non-stick spray. Whisk together oats, flour, baking soda, and salt in a small bowl. With electric mixer on medium speed, beat butter, brown sugar, egg, and vanilla in a large bowl until well blended. Reduce mixer speed to low. Gradually add flour mixture, beating just until blended. Stir in chocolate chips. And if you have a favorite cookie recipe you want me to do on the show, please leave it in the comments and we'll get to it in a future episode. Drop dough by level tablespoons 2 inches apart on prepared baking sheets, making a total of 24 cookies. If you make them too close together like I did, just shift them over. Or do it. Make the super cookie your inner child wants. Bake until cookies are browned along the edges, 9 to 11 minutes. Let cool on baking sheets on wire rack about 1 minute. With spatula, transfer cookies to racks and let cool completely. And in the end, you get to enjoy some delicious cookies. I'm Brian Smith saying, enjoy baking every once in a while and don't forget to treat yourself. And here's the recipe and directions one more time for you. Join me next week for ooey gooey cinnamon buns. Till then,